Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the REDMOND RBM-M1909, a multifunctional bread maker designed to bring fresh homemade baking into your kitchen with maximum convenience. At first glance, the machine makes a strong impression thanks to its modern stainless steel body and stylish design. It looks premium, durable, and fits perfectly into a contemporary kitchen environment. One of the most exciting features of this model is the availability of 25 automatic programs. This wide selection gives users the flexibility to prepare different types of bread, dough, and other recipes without needing advanced baking skills. The main advantage of a bread maker is automation. Instead of manually mixing ingredients, kneading dough, monitoring rising times, and controlling baking temperatures, the machine handles the entire process for you. Simply add the ingredients, select a program, and let the bread maker do the work. The dough kneading function is particularly useful for people who enjoy homemade pizza, rolls, pastries, or traditional bread recipes. Even if you prefer baking in a conventional oven, the machine can save significant preparation time. The control panel is intuitive and easy to navigate. Selecting programs and adjusting settings feels simple, making the appliance suitable for both beginners and experienced home bakers. Another benefit is consistency. Homemade bread can sometimes be difficult to perfect, but automatic programs help deliver reliable results batch after batch. Fresh bread with a pleasant aroma can be ready whenever you want it. Overall, the REDMOND RBM-M1909 combines versatility, convenience, and modern technology in one practical appliance. With its extensive program selection and automatic operation, it's an excellent choice for anyone who wants to enjoy fresh homemade baking with less effort. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us your favorite homemade bread recipe in the comments. See you in the next review.